Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create professional Facebook page. You can create this page for your website, for your business, service, anything else. So let's start. First, open your Google account and log in your Facebook page. Once you open your Facebook, then click on these dots and then click on page. This type of dashboard appear in front of you. Then you type your page name, just like I type event trend 365. Now you can choose the category of your Facebook page. I can choose education website. So now you can write the bio related to your Facebook page. I write bio, but it not accept multiple words, 100 words. So I can use word counter and count the words. It only accept 40 words. So I can I can write 40 words, 40 words bio on ChatGPT and then copy and to paste on the bio. Now it's perfectly. Now I can click on create page. Now my Facebook page is create for my business. So next step is to add my website on there, email address, and then location, hours, business hours, and then I can click on next. Now you can add on their profile picture of your business and service. I can add the logo of my website on there and then add cover photo. You can change it once your pages appear. Now I can add action button on there. I can add action button on email and then add my email address on there and then click on save. Once you save it, then click on next. Now I don't want to add my WhatsApp on there, so I can skip on there and click on skip. If you want to add friends, you can add it, but now I can skip and then click on add. Once I click on add, now my page is appear, is just look like this, but the cover photo is not updated because its size is not according to the need. I can choose custom size of cover photo 820 to 310 on Canva and create my cover photo on Canva, download it in JPG form and then download. It's easily create. My video is updated on my account. You can search it. Now I can update it on cover photo and click on save changes. After save changes, you can see now it's look perfect. Thanks for watching.